Excellency, it is an honor and great pleasure for me to open this welcoming ceremony to celebrate the People's Republic of Bangladesh becoming the 111th state party to the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court. I wish to extend a very warm welcome to Bangladesh and to you personally, Ambassador Sorcar, on behalf of the entire court. Excellency, by ratifying the Rome Statute, Bangladesh has joined the growing number of world nations that have combined forces to end impunity for the most serious crimes of concern to humanity. Each state that joins the ICC sends out a strong signal of commitment to peace, justice, and the rule of law. I had the pleasure of visiting Bangladesh in December of last year. I met with the government officials as well as civil society organizations. As the ICC's first Asian president, I feel a particular responsibility to increase the knowledge of the International Criminal Court in Asia, which is the least represented of all regions in the ICC. I was delighted when I learned that soon after my trip there in March 2010, Bangladesh took the historic decision to ratify the Rome Statute, becoming the first South Asian state party. On that note, it was very encouraging to notice that the statement made by your Minister of Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs, Mr. Shafiq Ahmed, in Kampala, emphasized the need to combat impunity for genocide, crimes against humanity, and war crimes, both at the national and international levels. I fully agree with that assessment. The fact that the world now has a fully functioning International Criminal Court is a remarkable achievement. But the ICC is not a substitute for national jurisdictions. It is the national justice systems that will continue to be the front line in the struggle against impunity. Excellency, once again, I congratulate the nation of Bangladesh on its decision to join the Rome Statute, and I warmly welcome your country to the International Criminal Court. Thank you.
Today we are celebrating Bangladesh's commitment to international justice. By ratifying the Rome Statute on 23 March, Bangladesh demonstrated its determination to join the efforts of the international community in putting an end to the most heinous crimes, crimes against humanity, war crimes, and genocide. Bangladesh is not only the first South Asian country that ratified the Rome Statute, but it was also the first South Asian country that signed the statute. As a result of this decision, 156 million more persons are now protected by the legal regime of the Rome Statute system. Asia remains the most underrepresented region in the Rome Statute regime. With the incorporation of Bangladesh, only 15 out of 52 United Nations member states in the continent have joined the ICC. In this context, the incorporation of Bangladesh to the Rome Statute regime should be appropriately valued. On behalf of the Assembly of States Parties, I offer the most warm welcome to Bangladesh as a new member of the ICC family.
May I reiterate on this occasion how deeply Bangladesh is committed to the purposes and principles of the Rome Statute. We had been intimately involved in its negotiation throughout the whole span from 1995 to 1998. We were in favor of adoption at the dramatic midnight call for vote in Rome on 17 July 1998 that led to the historical breakthrough in favor of the ICC statute. The observation that the international community is apathetic to some instances cannot be an excuse for not to pursue international criminal justice. Rather, this is an even more compelling reason to vigorously seek justice through global international mechanisms. I recall here President Nelson Mandela, who said, "Let it never be asked of any one of us, what did we do when we knew that another is being oppressed?" The ICC is an answer to this. It is an answer to the culture of impunity that is so pervasive in the troubled history of mankind, but against which such great mobilization has taken place from countries big and small and from regions far and wide.
In the presence of the Vice President of the Assembly of the States Parties, I am very pleased to present to you Ambassador Muhammad Ali Sorcar, this special limited edition of the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court. This symbolizes our joint commitment to the rule of law and the commitment of all states to this particular statute, to honor it. So, may I? Thank you very much.